Hi, today is a special moment for us to invite Jaymond from Bybit as our sponsor of our learning program. Today he will walk us through that what is the insight and what is the most important functions that Bybit have, which is the copy trade. Of course, at the same time, we also wanted to find out how the bot trading works. So during this interview, we will learn how copy trading works and its benefit and downside. And of course, the most important that me myself wanted to know, how we identify a trader that we are worth to follow on Bybit. So, and the step-by-steps, how effective for us to operate the copy trades and what are the insights that we probably can dig up from him. So, welcome to Jaymond, and Jaymond, how's your day?
I'm fine. Thank you, Kenny, and thank you for inviting me here today. So I'm Jay, and I'm the BD for Bybit. So it's a pleasure to be here to share with you guys about our products.
So Jaymond, tell me, what is copy trading? What's so special about Bybit on this copy trading function?
Okay, so this product copy trading is actually, it allows user to copy another trader's trades without doing anything. So there are few settings that they have to go through, and then after that, it will happen automatically whenever the master traders, execute their trades.
Then there's so many traders, like so many master traders. Whenever I try to operate myself, to be honest, when it comes to these tech things, although I'm sharing, I need to hands-on, very detailed, then I will understand. But I always feel this very challenging part that which is the right master to follow, because when I see this guy like, oh, he's up like 100, 200%, but next day I couldn't find that person in the list anymore. So even though for my friend, I believe there's some viewers over here and our community member wanted to learn that, oh, I'm good in trading, how can I be one of the top traders? So another question is that how can we spot the right master to follow? What is the things that we need to take note, and maybe later you can show us how to find.
Okay, great. So I'm going to share my screen now. So I'm going to show you how do you actually identify master traders and choose the right one for yourself. Because as you know, everyone have different preference. You know, some people go for long-term investment and short-term investment, or even mid-term investment. So we have all these statistics shows in the copy trading tools where you can find and actually choose the right master traders for yourself. So let me share my screen right now and I'll go through with you guys.
Let's go.
Okay guys, so when you come to Bybit website, so this is what you're gonna see. And then, okay, you can see these tools here, right? And then you go to copy trading. So this part here is, this section here is all about copy trading. So you can see all the master traders here, alright? All these master traders are the one that you can follow. Okay, some of it you can see is shown full already. That means there's a lot of people copy these master traders already, so you cannot copy anymore. How do we actually identify a master traders? So we make it easy for you. So we categorize them into 4 categories. So one of it is top traders by ROI, which means that traders has the highest ROI in the last 7 days. Okay, so these are the traders, master traders that you can follow. And then traders with the highest profit for followers. Okay, so these are the traders, master traders that earn the highest profit, okay, for their followers. So we also have this category called lowest drawdown, which trader with over 10% ROI and the drawdown is less than 20%. That means their trades will never go below 20%. Means that they don't when they lost, they maintain it like above 20%, like they don't lose more than 20%. And we also have these top intraday traders, where the master traders are actually short-term traders. Usually their position is over 20% ROI and their win rate is more than 20% in the past 7 days. Okay, so we have launched this recently where we give this exclusive slot for our affiliates. So affiliates can actually provide for their referral user this slot. So this is actually a special slot for user to copy the master trader.
So meaning that I myself can copy, or I can just generate a link for my followers to copy.
You yourself, I think you can use it as well. You can generate the ring and then you can copy the master traders also.
Let me double confirm. That means one user I can copy, or I can just generate the link there I can send to my, let's say I got 20,000 followers, then they can just come in together. No, right? Just me only, right?
We have a limited numbers of slots. So for example, I think we have like only like 1,000 slot there. So you can only allow 1,000 users to copy the master trader that already full in slots.
Let's say, for example, me, myself, I'm going to copy even though it's full, then I can generate a link that allow another 1,000 people to onboard to copy.
Yep, correct.
Oh, wow. So you guys heard that? I mean, I'll go and dig out and see who is the master, or if you are a good trader, always can comment below then to let us know if you are a good trader. Wow, I think this is mind-blowing. Yeah, I mean, I really like the way that what Bybit is creating for the user, even though for top-up or even though for trading, all this stuff like that, especially this copy trading. I think it's very interesting.
So another thing is that, right, you can actually look at their P&L as well, okay? And also the numbers of followers, okay, people who follow them, and their volumes, and also trading history. So how do you check their volume and trading history? What you have to do is just click into them, and then over here we have all these statistics, the followers. So you can actually see all the followers. Okay, you can see they are making profits from all the trades that they followed these master traders. And then you can also see the profit that the master trader makes. Okay, his earnings. And also his current trades that is still opening, and also his past trade, his trade history. Okay, and then I will go over this part as what can you ask yourself. So ROI is actually 7 days. ROI is actually the return of investment for the past 7 days. Okay, so it's 13.06%. Which means these master traders has got an ROI, return of investment, of 13.06% in the past 7 days. And then the total master trader profit and loss is positive 7,405. And also the follower. Okay, this is actually the followers P&L, which is the profit and loss. Okay, so this master trader has helped generate about 24,000 for all these followers who follows him, all these 1,000 followers. And then you can also see here the trading days the master traders has is 96 days already. And then his current ranking is number 346 for 7 days ROI. So we rank them by 7 days ROI. So this trader here is actually on the ranking of 346.
So the next thing, now we already saw how it works and how to identify. Now, as a user, how are we going to operate it effectively so that you will not do the wrong steps? Because sometimes when you copy wrong, like for example, when I use other platform, especially when I do futures, I don't even know what happened, I get wiped out. So we gotta do it nicely just in case when we copy the wrong thing, because when I saw it, I also quite not sure, uncertain that what are the correct method for us to execute the copy trade.
Just let's say we pick one of these master traders, trader with the highest profit for followers. Alright, so we pick this master traders for example. So you gotta see that this master trader lab is ranked 56 right now for 7 days ROI. Okay, again, you can see this master trader not bad. The total P&L is 6 figures, and then his 7 days return of investment is 89%. So we also have to look at the max drawdown here. So as for these master traders, his maximum drawdown is actually 67%. So yes, personally I think it's quite high for me.
But why is the safe side? I mean, if you look at it, 67 is considered high, and what is the number is considered healthy? Yeah, $1 million question.
Okay, this one is I think personally for me, right, the maximum drawdown that I can accept is 15 to 20%.
So 15 to 20%, it's the so-called acceptable range based on JPEG. And now I trusted him. Of course, in this video again, non-financial advice and purely for educational purpose. And I believe that because the drawn down that hand out the followers, P&L is also a very important indicator for us to take into consideration. Am I right?
So as we can see here that you can also go through the master trader's portfolios and then his trading history and what coin is he investing into.
So how are we going to copy? We just click that copy button.
Okay, very simple. What you have to do is just go to this button here. You just click copy. When you come to this page here, so you have all these things that you have to fill in.
Yeah, what is that?
This. Yeah, okay. So let me guide you guys through. So you can see this smart copy mode, and okay, you can choose between these two modes. All right, there's one smart copy mode, and also advanced copy mode.
Before we continue that how to click the copy button and how to walk us through, because to me it's very complicated because there's a few things for us to take note and etc. But before we move to that, I have another $1 million question. So for all these master trick, right, is there any person like a hit and run? That means like they generate their portfolio, then after that they just trade just to earn a profit, then they just close down. Then this is a very short-term kind of trader. How Bybit verified this trader, I believe that it's not everyone can qualify to be a trader, right? Or anybody can be. Because we want to make sure that we copy this person is just a freshly new account that they already felt that they just read.
Okay, there's 4 requirements the master trader have to go through before he can actually become a, qualified for people to actually follow him. So you actually have to have a minimum of 3 derivative trades, and then another one is you have to make a profit of 50 USDT minimum from the 3 trades. And then another two is quite easy, is you have to join the Discord and then learn the terms and conditions. Once the master trader actually complete these 4 tasks, he can actually, follower can actually follow him already. So if his performance is very good, it will come up to the top ranking lah, and then it will be it. And then people can actually
so only the best will be features. So if it's normal, then they will need to make their way up, even though share to their community, and they use Bybit as a tools to let their followers to copy trade on them. Am I right?
Yep, correct. But not really also, but you can go to this place here, view all the master traders. So these are all the master traders you can find out. But sometimes you really have to look into details, about their trade history, their trade history, to make sure they are actually good traders and top traders.
We only see that the master P&L is 1,001 and the followers is 5,000 plus, and the drawdown is 27%. But yet in these 7 days is the top 168 for the account. So
for 7 days, our rise is ranked 168. But you can also check that his win rate for 7 days or 30 days or 90 days or even 180 days here. So you can see for 7 days it's actually 40%. But let's say we go to 30 days win rate is actually so in details you can also go to this part here. These are the followers that make profits. Can view all in details, so you can actually see all these followers are making quite a good amount of profit. 1,200. So these are the days of followings that the followers follow the master trader.
So we are so ready to click that copy button and walk us through how are we going to effectively use the button and how we execute. So what is the pros and cons after we identify and know all these things as a followers? What is the pros and cons? Yeah.
So let me talk about the pros first. So the pros is here, right? When you copy a master traders, you don't have, compared to you actually open up a trade. So when you copy a master trader, you can save your time. You don't have to monitor the trades because everything is it happens automatically. Two is that you can invest based on statistics. Okay, you can actually look at the data, the master traders, past history, and all this. The cool part here is that you are following the expert traders. So everything is done by the master traders. But the cons here is that, right, you got no control over your trades. You cannot choose, what's the entry price and all, because all this will happen whenever the master traders open up their trade, execute their trade, and then it will automatically help you to execute your trades. So all this entry price and also exit price will based on the master traders. When you make profits, okay, you will have to share 10% to the master traders. So for example, let's say you make 1,000 profit, you have to share 10% of it to the master traders.
So this profit ratio is actually decided by the copy trader, right?
Yeah, it's default for all master trader except we will see 12% profit sharing or even 15% profit sharing. Okay, there are actually 4 levels: cadet, bronze, silver, and also gold level. So for silver and gold level, they will have 12% and 15% profit sharing.
So that means the master trader will not determine. So by the platform will arrange for them like 10, 12 or 15, is it?
Correct, according to their levels.
So it's not like the master trader felt that I want to earn more, I put it 40%, no, right?
No.
Okay, that's interesting. I thought they can just decide the percentage. Nice. So now is the very important moment, how we're going to execute the button for us to ready to click that copy trade. So Jaymond, please walk us through. Please, how to start copy the master and make some cold hard cash.
Alright, so
choose one. Just in case later after this video, everybody just come and copy the person, then you pick the wrong guy.
okay, I will just simply choose one. So you see, I see this Vitalik photos here, so I just pick this. Okay, but okay, it's up to you to pick. Which master trader you think that is good. Okay, so what you have to do is just simply click on this copy button. Okay, so Kenny, so I let you decide like how much we're gonna put here.
Yeah, I'm a very safe investor and trader and coin collector, so I always go to the lowest amount. So can we do, what's the minimum? Can we do $10?
Maybe we do 50.
So this is the minimum amount for us to start copy trading at 50, correct?
Yep.
Okay.
So it will show insufficient balance here because I do not have fund in my wallet. So if you have fund here, it will be showing this. So we put 50 here, and then copy stop loss is actually the amount of like the value that you want the stop loss.
Okay.
Let's say for example we put like so it's 50, right? So let's say I would just want to raise like 10% of my 50 maybe, or 20%. So let's say it's 20%. So 20% is actually like 10.
Okay.
So it will show you what's the loss of your copy position exit 10 USDT. You will automatically stop copying the master traders. And then we will come to this part here, Bybit copycat. So you can choose to actually turn on or turn off. So it's actually like when you turn on, you will actually followers will wait to copy an order at an optimal price if needed. So it means that whenever the master traders execute his trade, okay, if you turn on this copycat, it will help you to copy at an optimum price instead of directly, execute the trade following the master traders. Yes, you can actually click, you have agree and then copy now, or you can go to more settings. So usually you can prefer not to fill in this, or if you want you can. So these are the max position margin per contract. Okay, for example, master traders, sometimes they can open up a lot of contracts, a lot of trades, 5. So what are the maximum margin that you are allowed, you want to put in per contract? So for example, you have 50, right? So maybe you can put 5 or you can put 10 per contract. Okay. And maximum daily position limit is the limit that you set for yourself. Like let's say, for example, master traders, sometimes they can open up a lot of trades. Like they can go like the amount can be big. But maybe you want to control your amount. Okay, you have your 50 ringgit, but let's say you want to control in about 20 or 30 per day. Okay, per day, 20 or 30 per day. So it's up to you to set. You can just ignore it if you don't want. And then you can also set the stop loss, okay, per order. So 10%, 20%. If you do not set, it will follow the master traders. So whenever the master trader close their trade, you will also close your trades. And then same goes to take profit as well. These two is actually the same. You can set your take profit and your stop loss. Okay, it depends on you. If you don't want to set it, also can. It will just follow the master traders. And then this is the maximum slippage. For example, a master traders, when they enter their trade, like let's say for example Bitcoin at 23,000. So suddenly the price dropped, and you do not manage to go into the trade at entry price of 23,000. Let's say you drag this to 2%, okay? It will still help you to enter into your position. Let's say it drops 2%. So within 2%, your trade will still enter. But if you do not put, maybe if let's say from 23,000, it suddenly dropped for example, 23,800. It won't help you to enter into the trade anymore because it's very far away already. So these are the slippage for individuals. Let's say how much you want to put. It's based on you. The maximum is 5%. So 5% is actually quite a lot already.
Yeah. Okay. So this easy mode. If we add on more, isn't it this become like the advanced mode? Is this like an advanced mode level, or advanced mode have more things to?
No, this mode setting is actually not the advanced mode.
Yeah, because I think whoever they do copy trading, of course some is professional that they know about the thing, but for people like most of the newcomer, new learners, we won't know that all these stop loss, stop profit and all these things. So am I right to say that we just ignore that, because the more when we do setting, it probably will go more haywire? Because say I encountered before back then when people do forex, so he opened up 10 trades. If I only follow the 5, just nice I follow the 5 is losing trade, then jialat already. It's a, and it will be a problem for followers. That means we don't fully copy. So am I right to say that this easy mode or auto mode that we do, we can just put it at, okay, if I really lose that $50, then that's it. If I make money, I will just cash out.
Yeah, so it depends on individual. Like I'd say, you can, if you are a beginner, you really do not want to go for all this setting. Yeah, you can just actually ignore it and then just follow exactly what the master traders do.
So let's see the advanced mode. What's the difference?
Advanced mode here, when you go to the advanced mode, so you actually have more options. Okay, but first they will ask you about the fund to copy as well and your copy stop loss. When you go to the next page, you will have more settings. You will have the settings that I showed you just now, the more settings under smart copy mode. And you will have another additional setting is that they ask you about leverage. You can customize your leverage based on your risk or risk that you can take. Let's say they go for 10x leverage 10 times, but you feel like 10 times is a lot, you don't want to take that much of risk, so you can actually go for 5. So you can customize your leverage to 5, or you can have you can copy exactly, follow exactly like the master traders, or you can have fixed leverage for all the trading pairs. So you can actually set the leverage yourself.
Okay, got it. So that's the only difference, that we can customize the leverage when we on advanced setting.
Correct. The leverage actually very important also because it determines your liquidation price. So the liquidation price is actually the price where your position got liquidated, which means like if you put 50, that means if your like position size is, your margin is 10, so whenever the liquidation happen, the 10 USDT will be a loss lah.
Okay, now I'm also curious, since we already here for the copy trade, and I wanted to learn about the bot trading, because since bot trading is also one of the feature product that Bybit have, and yeah, I mean, how do we operate a bot trading? What is the things like for a beginner, like the new learners that are able to benefit from? So do you want to share with us the bot trading, how it operates?
Yeah, actually we have this bot trading. Okay, we have three products in this bot tradings. So I'm gonna share with you one of it is called DCA. So let me share my screen. Okay, so when you guys come to this Bybit website, okay, same, you go to these tools, and then you come to trading bots. So there are 3 bots here: spot grid bots, DCA bot, and also future grid bot. So today I'm gonna go through with you the DCA bot. So actually, what is DCA? DCA is actually like dollar cost averaging. So you know, like when we do crypto tradings, right? Sometimes we do DCA manually, but this one is DCA bot. So when we do DCA manually, it's like, right, we buy, let's say Bitcoin today, we buy at like 24k maybe, and then another week we buy it in like the price of like 20k maybe. So we buy at different price, and then we dollar cost average it. That means we will add up to the average price lower than the first price that we bought. So that's what we do usually, like manually. But today we have this DCA bot that helps you to execute your trades automatically. So how do we actually use this bot? So I'm going to go through with you right now. So what you have to do is just click the button here, create now. So currency is obviously USDT or USDC. Okay, you're gonna have either one of these. So let's say we pick USDT. So the cryptocurrency that you want to buy, okay, for example BTC. So you can choose that. You can choose multiple also. Or if you don't want, you just choose Bitcoin. Let's say for example 1000. Okay, and then you can choose to add Ethereum or XRP if you want. So let's say for example we go Ethereum. Then we put like maybe for Ethereum you could put like 1005 maybe. So total will be 2500. So the investment frequency here is the how many days apart do you want your trade to be executed. Like for example, let's say I choose 1 week, right? So the order maybe will, when I click create now, it already like execute my order already today. And then 1 week after that, it will help to automatically execute another trade. So it will average your entry price.
But the price we cannot decide. It's just that the bot will just anything fall below lower than today.
That's right. Yeah, it actually helps you to buy automatically, or you don't have to do it yourself, because when we do it manually, right, we have to come in like every time, right? Like for people that are very busy, you know, they don't have times to monitor, you know.
Okay, so the price up or down, they will just automatically help us to buy, correct?
Correct.
So it's just like some exchange, they will put it as recurring buying. So is it similar kind of things?
Yes, correct. Yeah, yes.
Okay, interesting. Yeah, I think this DCA bot is really suitable for people that are busy and they're really prepared to buy no matter what are the price. Then this trading bot probably will be very suitable for you to use it. I mean, since we are here, then how about the grid bot that, you know, people are always do? And I always see people that like got high amount of earning all this stuff. Is it very complicated to go through?
So for this spot grid bot, you can choose between AI strategy and also manual. So AI strategy usually it already set for you. What you have to do is just key in your minimum investment amount. So the price range here is actually the range of the price that you want to buy in that range lah. So for example, the range here is 19,555 until 29,580. So the bot will actually help you to buy within this range of price that are being set. And then in between this range of price, there are 45 grids. And you have more grids, right? It will help you to buy and sell more. Because, imagine that in this range, right, 19,000 to 29, it has 45. So if it has lesser, like let's say 10 grid, then your trade will be lesser as well. If you have more grids, then your trade will be more. We can see here also like profit per grid, okay? Profit per grid is about like 0.75% until 1.13%. And then grid profit ratio is about 2.28% and per annum is about 59%. Okay? So next, the drawdown, you can also see the drawdown ratio, maximum is about negative 9%, 9.5%. And then what you have to do next is just key in your investment amount. Let's say, for example, you want to try like 300, or minimum is 208, okay? 208.86, okay? You can input any amount that you want. And then right here, there's advanced settings, okay? You can choose to fill in or you can choose to ignore as well. So as usual, we have entry price, stop loss, and take profit price as well. But let's say if today we choose to go for manual, you have to set the price range yourself. Some people, they prefer to buy at this range, okay? Because as what you see here, the range is quite big lah. 19 to 29 is about 10,000 gap. Let's say today I just want to buy at the range of maybe 25,000 to 30,000. Okay, so number of grids, I can set like for example 20 grids. So there will be 20 grids between these 25 to 30,000 range. And then I set the investment that I want, that maybe $500. And the advanced setting is the same as well. If you do not want to set, just leave it blank. And then you will just create now. And the bot will help you to like execute the trick.
So I saw the icon over at the menu is the AI strategy, is it?
Yes, correct. That means they already set a strategy for you. That means you don't have to input the range and then the number of grids. It's already like set for you already.
Are we able to copy other people's bot that they already set up and we can see or no?
Yeah, actually you can actually copy others people's bots.
Okay, so this is the place you can see, right?
Copy for free. So you can actually look at all these people. So when you copy for free, right, you can see the settings. So like this guy that I picked, right, this user that I paid, he's trading this pair, VIA, and then the price range is between this, and then he has like 11 numbers of grids within this range, and then the price interval and also the profit per grid is this much.
I see. Oh yeah, because I remember for spot grid can do, just that don't really understand that who are setting up all these, and like look at this crazy number like 84,000%. So it's like it seems like another way of copy trading, but really not sure how it works. So this is what grid trading that we are able to even copy and use it, is it?
Yes, correctly. So if you guys are still not sure how to do it, you can go to this part here, learn more, and then we have all these like learning tools, tutorials that teach you how to use like the future grid bot. So future grid bot or maybe future spot bot. Future grid bot or spot grid bot.
Yeah, I think that's about it. It's a very bite-sized and casual chatting and understand what is the insider. So yeah, this is another last $1 million question. What advice do you have for new people, new learners that enter into the crypto space and crypto market?
Okay, this is a personal advice, okay? So as a beginner, make sure that, like you strengthen your skills your strategy. Today, no matter how much fund size you have, like capital you have, what I think that is important is your knowledge, your skills, and the right strategy you have to make good of this fund, okay, to grow this fund size.
That's very great advice. Yeah, always must have a goal. I would say that a financial goal, investment goal, a trading goal, or find different ways to make money so that we can use the money to go and reinvest our things. So yeah, that's so important that we learn about the copy trade. And I think the spot grid is also very interesting to try it out. Then yeah, we probably will test it out and maybe do another standalone to share that how to execute any insider. If any more insider, for sure I will come and knock on Jay's door and I will pull him into another meeting again. So thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate and thanks for supporting us for the learning program. And we'll do our best to onboard more people safely and have the support from Bybit. So thank you so much, Jay. Yeah, thank you.